Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Well, where are my aerial hammock people at? This tutorial is definitely for you today. We are going to tie ourselves a little aerial hammock knot with our feet on the aerial silks. I would label this as an advanced beginning sequence just because it can be a little confusing. And also, before we get into it, two things. Number one, I always say this, remember silks is dangerous. Whenever you're learning new skills, practice with a mat underneath you. And two, before we start, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button because once we get going, your hands will be busy. All right, let's go through this sequence super slowly at first, and then we'll bring it up to speed later. This sequence starts from a French climb. Remember which way you're climbing. So I'm doing a right-sided French Russian climb because my right leg is on top. And notice how I'm climbing with split silks. You don't have to, but I just find that it helps later. When you go to your desired height, and do go up fairly high because you do lose a lot of height with this sequence, tilt the opposite way you climb. So I climbed on the right, I'm tilting to the left. I throw the silks over my shoulder, and then I bring it in front of the live end of the silks and through my knees. From there, whichever foot I started the climb with presses the silks from forward down through the middle. Keep going down, keep going down, keep going down. You lose height and you end up with a knot around your foot. Remove your foot from the knot and sneak it between the silks, and voila, you have this little aerial hammock. From there, you can live your best aerial hammock life. Now, I do have to say, I highly recommend that you do this as an end to a sequence. Technically, if you were in the air, you could come out of it, but I find that it's just too easy to get stuck in the knot. So there's no way I would add this in the middle of an entire piece. I mean, you can see how challenging it is for me to take the knot out even with both hands on the ground. And just in case you didn't know, always to take the knot out of the silks, pull the two tails away from each other. Don't worry, I'm going to show this sequence again. I filmed it a little closer, so hopefully you can see the exact pathway of what that top foot has to do in order to tie the knot solidly. But look, you guys, see how hard this can be to get out? Definitely do not put this in the middle of your act. Okay, going through this a little faster with the silks together or separated. Start your French climb. I'm doing the right foot on top again just for continuity. Just make sure if you're working on short silks like me, you leave enough room for your body to go through when you get to the top. And then that silk goes in front of your chest, but over your shoulder, and then down in between your knees. And then here's that closer footage. I promised you, pay attention to that right foot. It kind of presses the silks backwards and then scoops it down. You'll feel the silks start to catch as you press your foot down. And then enjoy how much height I lose here. I'm practically on the floor, and sometimes it can be annoying to finagle that foot through the center. It's okay. The larger your silks are, the easier I think it will be. You can also make that slice through more dramatic than me, maybe holding a split or something. And then invert and live your hammock life. And yeah, essentially that's what we got for you today. Let me know in the comments if you were able to get it or if it was a little too confusing or hard to see how to actually tie the knot. And then also let me know if you have any other requests, specifically knot drops. I will not honor your drop requests. I'm sorry. And then of course, hit the like and subscribe button. Please don't forget. And that's all for now. Until the next time, I hope you all have a fit and fabulous day. Bye-bye.